using pop-up ads networks affect SEO? And the question is, I have a website that cannot use AdSense for copyright infringement reasons. This is just me wondering what copyright infringement reasons, but okay. So currently I'm using pop-up ads from a different network. Is this going to affect the SEO on my website?
Okay, so yes, all right. Google does not like pop-ups. They call them interstitials, all right? They don't like pop-ups, especially on mobile devices. So if you're getting a pop-up, you go to, just think about you as a user, okay? Forget what you want your company to do. Think about you as a user of the web. When you go to a website, like you're looking for a pressure washing company, and you get a pop-up ad on your screen, does that make you happy? Do you like having that in your face? Probably not. Probably irritates you. Probably annoys you a little bit. Okay? And you don't want to annoy your users. Google's all about user experience, including speed and mobile access. And I mean, they're even getting to the point where if you ever go to a website where usually it's these news sites, right? Where you go to click on a button, and just before you click on the button, some ad opens up above it and pushes everything down. You want to click it on the ad. Okay? This is this idea of content layout shift, CLS. Google doesn't want it because it pisses off users, right? You're trying to click on a button that says next, and you want to click on an ad because this thing popped up and shifted everything down. No good, okay? Pop-ups, no good. Pop-up era is long gone. You do not want ads popping up. In fact, years ago, Google started to penalize sites that had too many ads in the body content. That's not good. Users don't want to be interrupted with this. And you as a user would get irritated if and again, I still see this every now and then on some of these, like daily whatever, daily buzz or whatever these, these where there's like, you have to hit next 57 times to go to the next page, the next page. It's so annoying. And all these ads and articles in between. It's annoying. It's not user-friendly. You're much better off having those ads inline somewhere, right? Maybe at the bottom, maybe at the top. As okay to have a little ad. No one's going to bitch about a little ad, right? But if you have an ad that pops up over the information I'm looking for, and you've actually gotten somebody to your website, why do you want to throw them away by putting a pop-up in front of their faces? It's a bad idea. It's bad for SEO. Google doesn't like it. In fact, look up on Google interstitials. Look up information about interstitials, especially on mobile device. Because remember, you get judged on your mobile presentation. So it may look one way on the desktop, but if on the mobile device, especially if you're covering up the whole screen, I'd say major no-no. Okay, major, it will hurt your SEO. It will drive customers away. It is going to be a problem. Don't do it. Or be very careful how you do. If you're going to pop up anything, maybe the bottom third of a page, something like that. You ever go to a page and you have that cookie policy pops up, right? Saying, hey, accept these cookies. It's kind of at the bottom, right? It's never covering the whole thing usually, just the bottom. That's okay. Something like that's okay. That's kind of okay for even an ad, but you don't want to go any more than that, and you certainly don't want something that covers up the entire screen of your mobile device, all right? So that would be our recommendations.
Just say no to pop-ups.
Yes. And pop unders. Remember the pop unders? Remember pop unders when you turn off the page that you're on, and behind the window there was an ad sitting there waiting for you? That used to be pretty prevalent for a long while too. I don't see those anymore, thankfully. Those were so annoying.
I do know those. Yeah, whenever I was on a site where everything would start to shift, immediately leave, back button, I'm out of here.
Yeah,
I just couldn't deal with it.
But pop unders would open up a new window below the window you were in. And you wouldn't even know it opened until you closed the window and saw this other window sitting there with an ad. Right. And I was like, those are gone too. But these were different ways people were trying to, get you to go to their ads as well. And I get you're looking to make money from your ads, but there's plenty of companies that do have ad networks that fit into your website that are not designed to piss off users, that are designed to help you gain additional, source of revenue, which I understand that's what you're looking for. Right? Get another couple pennies here and there. Sure, we all want to be able to do that, or affiliate links or whatever it may be. That's fine. Also, remember, if any kind of affiliate links are going on, you have to disclose that, right? You see a lot of folks when they're writing blog content or a lot of reviews, they'll say, hey, some links in here are going to go off to Amazon and we may get a piece of that, right? You have to disclose if you are using links in your content that's going to maybe add money in your pocket, right? Because there is a reason for it. But these ad networks are a little bit different. They're providing you like usually like JavaScript or some kind of code that you're going to embed on your site. But pop-ups, no, stay away.